Good evening, viewers. I am top astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about the events which are likely to occur in India during July-August 2021. Disclaimer: from April 2020, I am reading and predicting many things in my YouTube channel. I am getting 7 to 8 predictions correct out of 10 predictions made. Viewers are requested to kindly make a note of the above point. How to change your fate. When I say that top astrology's motto, which is past is equal to future, you can know your future yourself, you can determine your future yourself, you can change your future yourself. People don't understand. In this video, I will explain how it can be done. Also, this is a prediction for India for the next 1 month. The news headlines of India now are heavy floods in Maharashtra, fight between security personnel and terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir, Chinese premier visits Tibet. You think that these were ordinary news that you come across every day, but it is not. The three news you saw is the future of India. This is going to prevail in India during the years 2033 to 2064. Now, this is past is equal to future. You can know your future yourself. Let us see how it can be done. The news: Chinese premier visits Tibet. North India has no water scarcity because of the perennial river Brahmaputra. Most of the river water from this river will be prevented by China in the future. You see here, in the northeast corner, this river Brahmaputra flows into India, and northeastern parts of India are getting benefited. In the future, it will be stopped. See the zone with the red lines. This will be affected. The economy, water scarcity related problems will occur during this zone. At the same time, you see here, now we are getting heavy floods at Maharashtra and around Maharashtra area. So what is going to happen in the future? See, we are going to have a water scarcity in one area, and we are going to get excess water in another area. So the solution for the problem is taking this excess water into the area of water scarcity. That is the solution. See, we are calculating the years 2033 to 64 now, and we are finding the solution right now itself. Now this is, you can determine your future yourself, you can change your future yourself. Usually what happens, people think and plan schemes in the year 2033, that is when the problem starts to strike them, then they will not be able to do it effectively. They will not be able to find the solution effectively. Instead, if they could able to see 2033 just how I have seen, then they will plan schemes and starts to implement them now. If such a thing is done, then the problems which are supposed to come during the years 2033 to 2064 because of non-availability of Brahmaputra water will be solved. we can effectively change our fate. Another news is about Jammu and Kashmir. According to India's horoscope, Jammu and Kashmir will remain tense during 2033 to 2064. Fight between security forces and terrorists will continue. Thus, rule of central government will not do any good and will not allow the situation to improve. Democratically elected government will handle things better and will help Jammu and Kashmir to reach a better condition. I am speaking about the years 2033 to 2064. So whatever I say can be checked. So I'm making the prediction for India for the next 1 month. One, China expediting the works to build dams across Brahmaputra River. Chinese attempt to encroach Indian soil and counter activities by Indian troops. Attack on Indian security personnel. Bomb blasts. More rain in Maharashtra. Bank Nifty losing points rapidly. Also weakening of banking sector. Increase in corona. Fear of another corona wave. More lockdown. Now we can check these predictions for the next 1 month. When it occurs, you can understand that these are going to prevail during 2033 to 2064. Thank you.